That's it. This whole procedure, whatever I've told you from start to end, this whole procedure takes a shape of an algorithm, and this algorithm is called binary logistic regression. Okay? Binary logistic regression. That's it. As simple as that. That's the maths. So now you know how the things will work out. Okay? And we have to write the code for it in PyTorch. हम PyTorch की मदद से ये फंक्शन मिनिमाइज करेंगे, जैसे हमने अपनी लाइक्लीहुड डिस्ट्रीब्यूशंस का किया था इन आवर प्रोजेक्ट. सेम कंसेप्ट. We will not use scikit-learn because we have to learn deep learning. There is no use of scikit-learn in deep learning. Only PyTorch is being used. अगर आप scikit-learn सीख रहे हो अच्छी बात है, लेकिन आप अपना समय बर्बाद कर रहे हो. दुगनी मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी आपको. जब यही काम में जो काम PyTorch कर सकती है वो scikit-learn नहीं कर सकती, लेकिन जो काम scikit-learn कर सकती है वो PyTorch भी कर सकती है. So whatever can be done using scikit-learn, that PyTorch can also do. But whatever PyTorch can do, scikit-learn cannot do. So you are wasting your time. Learn one thing, kill two birds with one stone. Learn PyTorch. Scikit का काम भी कर देगी और deep learning का काम भी कर देगी. Right? So this is a logistic regression. Now I took another example. Suppose you have a different data set, some other data set, and your y is not in the form of 0, 1. These are not Bernoulli trials. Suppose your y is a salary of people. So this is the salary now. And it's in millions, or 100,000, or 400,000, or 500,000, whatever. But these are not zeros and ones. अब y की जगह पे जो वैल्यूज लिखी हुई हैं वो अनलिमिटेड वैल्यूज हैं, मतलब उनकी कोई रेंज फिक्स नहीं है. The values of y which are written here, they have undefined range. इसकी कोई रेंज नहीं है भाई. सैलरी तो कितनी भी हो सकती है, 12 लाख, 10 लाख, 15 लाख, 20 लाख, कुछ भी हो सकती है, 5 लाख, 10 लाख. तो नाउ माय क्वेश्चन इज, सपोज यू हैव टू मेक अ न्यूरॉन लर्न टू प्रेडिक्ट द सैलरी ऑफ समबडी. Before we were making a neuron learn to predict whether the student will be placed or not. But now the scenario is different. We want to make this neuron learn this function, which will in turn help us in predicting the salary of somebody.